Hello, welcome to day 14 of the 2022 Lego Guardians of the Galaxy Advent Calendar Reveal and Build. Right here, number 14. This is where we're going. I get the sense that there's lots of flying machines to do with this build, of this set. This one, very bright. Look at those bright orange colours. Okay, I think we've got another build with more than 10 pieces in it, so let's see how we go. Start with, I think I'm going to start with this piece here. Put this in. Right. One, two, three, and four. So there's the nose. Then we have 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 9 and 10, 11 and 12, okay, I'll go across here for 13, there for 14, yes, 15, 16, and really not sure what it is. We have this round piece here. You can see just here, maybe you can't, just here, only shows one, but there's room for two. And I have 2, so I'm going to put 2 on. There we have it. Still not sure what it is. But that is day 14. Thank you for joining me. Till tomorrow.